Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by turning the feature on and ensuring compatibility. First, make sure your Airpods model supports spatial audio and your iPhone or iPad is updated. Otherwise, the system won't render head-tracked audio. Next, pair the Airpods and open Control Center to enable spatial audio for supported media. Once done, choose Dolby Atmos or spatial audio content in Apple Music or a compatible app, so the phone routes multi-channel audio to the Airpods decoder. This starts the processing pipeline. Now you let the system convert spatial cues into per ear sound. The phone or iPad sends head and device orientation data, while the media provides multi-channel or object-based audio. Together they inform how sounds should move in 3D. The Airpods decode the stream, apply a head-related transfer function, HRTF, to simulate directionality, and deliver left/right signals tailored to your head position. Make sure to allow microsecond latency compensation, because timing precision determines whether a source feels fixed in space. To complete setup, calibrate and verify behavior so the effect is stable. You can enable headphone accommodations and spatialize stereo to compensate for hearing or mix differences. Then play an Atmos or spatial demo and turn your head to confirm sources stay anchored. If sound feels off, restart your Airpods and host device, repair them, and confirm the app actually supplies spatial or Atmos audio. Otherwise, the decoder has nothing to render. One key troubleshooting tip: update iOS and re-enable spatial audio if head tracking drifts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.